Hey there, it's Jenny, and let's take a quick look at my memory planner for February before we dive in. I'm so excited about all of those layouts and still excited about these Cocoa Daisy Minimalist Planner inserts. They're gorgeous, the paper is beautiful, and this week I am going to use this Happy Planner Disney sticker book. I'm going to flip through the book, kind of get a feel for what stickers are in here, what stickers are left. I've been using these so sporadically, or actually not even sporadically. It's been so long since I've used any of these. A lot of these are taking a little bit of time to remember what's in them. I've been using many independent stickers instead of these, and so yeah, so I've chosen that yellow background, and then the hooray for today is the anchor, and then I'm going to have a little accent. I'm just going to use a little strip. Now, ordinarily, I would not do this because this last little accent has words on it as well, and as you know, I like to balance those. However, you got to work with what you've got, right? So I could have pulled out washi and it would have been great. So instead of putting that down first, I'm going to put this Radiate Kindness over on the left-hand side. It's a clear sticker, as is this pink Minnie Mouse, and a little bit of the backing was still stuck to it, so I had to pull that off. So now I'm going to pull out the accent for that Thursday cluster, and you can see it has words on it too. So this is a little tough for me because there's 3 stickers on here with words, and I typically want to keep it less than that because I feel like it's all these messages, like there's just so many messages, right? But it's a little bit difficult in Happy Planner sticker books because there are just so many words. So the Disney ones are a little better though, because at least there are some other images. I wish there were more background stickers like that yellow one, but alas, I got to work with what I got. I pulled out 3 boxes to use as for activities. They have little elements, little designs on them. They're very cute. I wanted to spread them out, so I just looked at days that I had things that I could write down, and I went from there. So I'm going to start by writing the appointments slash activities on these boxes, and then I'll dive in for the rest of the things that I have to include for this week. I am using a Sharpie felt tip pen. This has been my pen of choice for quite some time now. I really like it because I do love felt tip pens. I like this one because I can highlight over it without smearage if I feel like it, and it does allow me to write a little bit smaller. I love the Papermate Flare. I love writing with the Papermate Flare. However, the tip is just so bold, it's difficult to write any smaller. I am using the green Aloha Stir highlighter today. It's a beautiful color, tremendously beautiful, and actually matches these stickers, believe it or not, that green in the stickers from the book. And I don't use this one very much. I use the pinks a lot, and even the tan and the purple get used a lot, but the green not so much. So I was so excited to be able to use it because I haven't been able to so much so far. And so I am just drawing my own boxes. I got crazy excited about that last week, and so I've been sort of on a mission to just draw boxes because it's such a great way to have them and not have to use stickers. I am conscious of how much all of these things cost. I don't just want to buy them repeatedly. And so any ways that I can make so I can have more money for decorative stickers if I draw boxes, right? So I'm working on this a little bit to see if it's something that I can do long term. I also really love that I am able to customize them to exactly what I need, and I think that's really fantastic. I am using the Zig Clean Color dot markers for the little bullet points for making some of those that stand out that are not going in boxes, because I do like to alternate both in boxes and not in boxes. It's going to be weird saying, if I continue doing this where I'm drawing my own boxes on the sticker or not on the sticker, because the boxes aren't stickers anymore, right? Crazy. And again, I'm not saying I'm not going to use box stickers. That's not what I'm saying at all. I'm just trying to get into the groove of not and seeing if that works for me. So now I'm using this 1, 2, 3 sticker. So my aunt was picking me up, we were going shopping, and then we were going for dinner. So I was adding all 3 of those to that 1, 2, 3 sticker. It seemed really actually kind of perfect, and this type of sticker is not something I use very often, if at all. And so it was exciting to try something different, do something new. And then more boxes with that green highlighter. Again, it's just such a beautiful like cross between a mint and a sage color, like somewhere in the middle. And it's just beautiful, and I'm really excited about it, as you can tell, because I keep talking about it. All right, so we're now into Sunday with the activities and the boxes. And I'm just going to finish this up so I have the whole week pre-planned. Look at that. All right, so now I'm going to use these Carpe Diem. Is that what they're called? Carpe Diem? Yeah. Anyway, Carpe Diem stickers for the dates. I love this sort of salmony color, and it matches the boxes in Hooray for Today. It's basically that same color as today, or that little banner up at the top of Thursday as well. So I've just got all my dates now, and I can get started on Monday. Now I pulled out, these are my Le Pen Flex brush markers, and they're very small. The tip is tiny, which I love that because then I can write an appropriate size for a planner, right? So if you use Tombow brush markers, the brush is so big that I can't use those in my planner. And I was able to just write with it. So I did not do brush lettering. I just did regular lettering, but using the same ideas of thicker downstrokes, thinner upstrokes, just for writing my husband's name. That's it. And then adding a little decorative sticker because I wasn't going to add any other writing down at the bottom of that little Mickey and Minnie sticker. So cute together. Now I'm finished adding the things that I want to add to Monday. So I'm going through and looking for sort of a larger sticker that would fit that entire box, or pretty close to that entire box. It doesn't have to fill every single little bit of it, but the majority of it would be great. So I'm just flipping through trying to figure out what I want to add here. Again, it's difficult because so many words, and it just feels like a bombardment of messages. However, gotta do what I gotta do, right? So I did include that one right there. So I went ahead and took the planner off the discs. As I get closer to the center of the layout, it's a little bit more difficult to write. And since I have the ability to pull it right out, I might as well go for it. All right, so I've pulled out every mild liner I own, and the one that I was looking for was not in that. The one that remained in my box was the one that I was looking for, this more golden yellow. I do have a brighter yellow, not like a highlighter yellow. It's just not quite as orangey yellow, but that was not the one that I was looking for. All right, so we're still flipping through. I know that I want to put something in the rest of this top box. However, I wasn't sure what, but the little banner slash flag is perfect right there. It's super cute. Then it doesn't take up a ton of space. Of course, it has words on it, but what are you going to do? The thing I do really love about this Mickey Mouse sticker book in particular is that there are so many different types of stickers. There's full boxes, there's half boxes, there's those banners, there's individual stickers, there's wide stickers like that radiate kindness. I mean, just literally every kind of sticker in this book. I just absolutely love it. I guess the only thing we're sort of missing is maybe like washi strips, but there are so many really cute ones in here, and I do love the colors too. Now up at the top, I added that clear little Minnie Mouse where she's like peeking over the box. So cute. I absolutely love that. And then now I'm able to continue on through Wednesday. And I've added the little bit of lettering that I can color in right there. It's so fun. Now I had a little bit of space, and so I was going to use these teeny tiny little boxes just to notate A, taking a walk, and then B, we had a very minor wildfire in the hills right behind us, and if you've been following along, I talked about the one in 2018, exact same area behind my house, but luckily they got this one under control, and I just wanted to notate that in my planner. So that's what I did with one of those teeny tiny little stickers on Wednesday. And I like how that really stands out too. If you look at this entire week, you can see how it's just very bold right there, and I think that's really cool. It's nice to throw in a little bit of variety every now and again. I do mostly stick to similar things each week when I'm planning, but those two little stickers really make it a little bit more interesting. just like choosing a different color to color in those letters of walk right there, I didn't want to use yellow again or light blue because I'd already used that. So this is sort of that corally color that matches those stickers on Thursday. And I thought it turned out really beautifully. Now down at the bottom, I just put that Get It Done sticker. I wanted to bring the navy blue from the left-hand side over to the right-hand side. So I was very glad that I was able to find a sticker that fit in that space and then also brought that navy blue over to the right-hand side so there was some balance there. Hard to believe we're on to the weekend already. It just goes so fast, doesn't it? Another one of those little banners in the middle. I wanted to make sure that I balanced the decorative. So I didn't want to put it up on Saturday morning because I already had the decorative on Thursday and Friday morning, and I didn't want it to spill over any further. I felt like those 2 boxes were enough. That is it for me this week. I'm just going to finish up right here and I will be done. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much and make it a great day.